Changing the email link to your Shopify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings. Step 3. Update email address. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Email or Contact Information. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new email, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. Step 5. Verify new email. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from Shopify. Click the verification link in the email to confirm the change. Make sure to keep your account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication if available.